Hello guys, welcome to DeFi Guy channel. Today we're gonna review great wallets on the Polkadot and Astar ecosystem. The first great option is Talisman, which is a browser extension and web wallet for Polkadot. What they do, they aggregated substrate and EVM chains with a great UI UX. So you can click on View NFTs button below in the extension. The web page is going to appear with the options of Overview, Collectibles, and History. On Overview, you can see all your portfolio in the parachains that you're holding, tokens. Also, the NFT aggregator with the Collectibles NFT, when you can see the substrate and EVM NFTs that you're holding. Also, you have the option to see the transaction history on all chains that you have done some transaction. Next very cool feature is staking your DOT with one click. In this case, you can see the reward API, the current era, the account that you need to use and stake, the amount of DOT you want, and just below, you can choose each pool you're using. Right now, we're using the standard for Talisman. And then you just click and stake and you're ready to go. Maybe the most powerful tool is the teleport system from Talisman. You can choose your account, select the token, in this case we're going to use Aster, the network that you need to transfer, and the network you want to transfer the token. Choose the amount of you want, in this case we're going to put like 20 Aster, click on transport, and then they're going to use the technology of XCMP to transfer these tokens between parachains. You just need to approve and you're ready to go. The last feature is the Explore button. There you have the aggregated dApps from all parachains divided in categories. You can choose on DEX, DeFi, NFTs, gaming, and DAOs. And also you have the feature button that demonstrates the most popular dApps in the entire Polkadot. In this case, we're gonna click on Aster Portal. The web page is gonna appear, and then you need to check it out if your Talisman native is connected. After that, you just need to choose your account, connect, scroll a little bit, and go on the sidebar for dApp staking and choose each one of the dApps you want to dApp stake it. If you want to increase the security while doing transactions on Polkadot, don't forget that Talisman is supported by Ledger. So in the link below, you have access to the tutorial made by Ledger on YouTube. Hope you guys like. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and comment below if you want the part 2 to review other wallets on the Polkadot. So see you guys later.